Hey, what is up, everybody? I am Jason, and you're watching my channel, Micro Investor. So this is my three stocks I'm buying, March 2020 edition. And this is going to be all dividend plays for this month because the stock market has taken a big dip. And the smartest thing that I can do is just try to take advantage of some really good dividend yields. There's a lot of good opportunities out there that I want to take advantage of and get a good yield on cost and play it that way instead of trying to focus on something with, a growth play, which I do a lot of that as well, but dividends this month. So the first stock that I'm looking to pick up quite a bit of shares here in March is going to be Ford, ticker symbol F. I made a video talking about Ford here recently, and Ford is at a 10-year low. The company has just been going through a lot. They're going through a lot of restructuring right now. But at the same time, with the stock being so low, Ford pays out a really nice dividend. They pay out 15 cents every quarter, which equals out to 60 cents a year. So with the current stock price where Ford's at right now, that makes Ford's dividend at 8.61%. And some people might say, but Jason, why would you invest into a company like Ford? And I'd say, well, Ford is still the -- best-selling pickup truck company in the world. So why wouldn't I? Why would I want to take advantage of an 8.61% dividend yield when when a company is going through a restructuring of their whole business and they have a lot of great things planned in the future? I mean, they're restructuring, they're spending lots of cash. There isn't a whole lot of profits being made here, but there's potentially a lot of profits to be made in the future. So it's also more than just a dividend play. It's also a little bit of growth play because we still got the Ford Bronco coming out. We got the Mustang-inspired Mach-E. We got the electric F-150. We have the electric Lincoln, as well as what Ford's advancements in autonomous driving are. There's a lot of different plays that can work here with Ford, and I want to take advantage of it while the stock is very low. And I don't want to forget about Ford's investment into Rivian because that is another great thing to look forward to in the future. And just to put Ford's dividend in perspective, there's a lot of people that invest into the stock market through an ETF or a mutual fund and hope that they're going to get a return of about 8% a year. And Ford's dividend alone does that, not to mention whatever the stock might return in the future. Next is Carnival Corporation's ticker symbol CCL. So I'm sure everybody is aware that Carnival Cruises has definitely been affected by the coronavirus. They have had a ship that has been docked off the coast of Japan for about a month now. So all that going on is affecting Carnival's business. People are canceling trips. They're not planning trips because they're afraid of the coronavirus. And it has already definitely taken a toll on the stock. So right now, Carnival's dividend is sitting at 6.28%. And I'm not looking to jump into Carnival right now. I want to wait till after Carnival releases their earnings report because I want to know how well the stock is going to go and what is going to happen to their dividend. If they cut their dividend, then that's not going to make it that good of a play. But if they keep their dividend, paying out what it is, and the stock price goes down, there could be a much higher dividend yield on Carnival, and that is what I'm trying to get. I'm looking for that price to drop down a bit, and I'm looking to get a really good dividend yield on Carnival later on in the month. Next is Disney, ticker symbol DIS. Now, Disney stock doesn't really pay the highest dividend. It's only 1.49% at its current value. But Disney stock price in general hasn't really been at a price that I've been feeling comfortable buying into. But now, because of the coronavirus, it has gotten that stock price into a territory where I feel comfortable putting some cash into it. So Disney's business is affected by the coronavirus. It's affected, people going out to the movie theaters. It's affected the theme parks, and it's definitely affected business overseas. So my understanding is Disney's theme parks in the United States are doing just fine. Disneyland, Disney World, they're both packed as always. But Disney's business overseas, like Disney Japan, now they're not going to be open until mid-March. But the thing with Disney Japan, it is actually not owned by Disney. It is actually just a licensed theme park. So I'm not sure exactly how badly the coronavirus is going to be directly affecting Disney, but my main interest in buying Disney while it's lower is Disney Plus and Hulu, because Disney Plus, since it launched in November, reported 28.6 million subscribers, and they reported this back in February. And I can only imagine that that's going to continue growing, and Hulu is going to continue growing, and as well as ESPN Plus. So I think their streaming business is going to be so big that it could, by itself, be a publicly traded company. And that's my main interest in buying Disney. I think that there is so much growth potential to come from Disney Plus that it makes the company much more valued than it actually is. So I'd like to know what you guys think about the three stocks that I'm going to be focusing more on in March, as well as I'd like to know three stocks that you guys are really interested in investing into. So, as always, everybody, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. I have new videos coming out on my channel all the time. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next video.